Hello and welcome back to our English grammar lessons. Before we start today's lesson, let's quickly remember what we learned in the previous video. We talked about future perfect continuous, time clauses, like what they are, how to use them, and their structures. If you missed that video, check the link to our full grammar playlist in the description below. You can watch that and other lessons anytime. Because I want to keep things simple and easy, I speak slowly in my videos. If you already know these tenses and just want to review, feel free to watch this video at 1.25 or 1.5 times the speed. As we talked about future tenses in the previous video, now we will first introduce present tenses, and then we are going to talk about two of them at least. And all along the way, we'll explain everything as simply as possible to help you understand easily. So please watch until the end, because these tenses will help you speak English better every day. What are present tenses? In English, we have many ways to talk about things happening now, things that happen regularly, or things that started before and continue now. These are called present tenses. There are four main present tenses in English language: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. To start with the first one, simple present tense. We use this to talk about things that happen regularly or facts. For example, I eat breakfast every day, a regular action. Or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, a fact. Present continuous. We use this to talk about things happening right now or temporary actions. For example, I'm eating breakfast now, happening right now. I'm living with my parents for a few months, temporary. Number 3, present perfect. We use this to talk about things that happened before now, or things that started before and continue now. For example, I visited London 3 times. This is time before now. She has worked at this hospital for 10 years, continuing from past to now. Present perfect continuous. We use this to talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening now, or just stopped with the result we see now. Examples: I've been studying English for 2 hours. It's still happening. I'm out of breath because I've been running. Just stopped with visible results. Well, this was not everything about these tenses, and we are not going to consider it enough. What we just gave you was a short introduction to all of them, so that you are not left with any questions. These tenses will be explained in detail later. In this video, we'll cover 2 of them, focusing on the last 2, the present perfect and present perfect continuous. What is present perfect? We use present perfect when we talk about something that happened before now, but we do not say exactly when, or something that started in the past and is still true now. The question is, how do we make present perfect? We use this structure: subject plus have or has plus past participle, better said, third form of the verb. Examples: I've eaten breakfast today, meaning I ate breakfast before now, but I don't say exactly when. Number 2, she has finished her homework already, meaning she completed her homework and it is ready now. Number 3, we have lived in this city for 3 years. We started living here 3 years ago and still live here now. Number 4, they have seen the new movie twice. They watched the movie before now, but we don't say the exact time. How do we make present perfect negative? We add not after have or has, like I have not eaten lunch yet, or she has not finished her work. With contractions, we say I haven't, she hasn't, they haven't. How do we ask questions in present perfect? Well, we put have or has before the subject, like, have you eaten today? Has he finished the project? When do we use present perfect? Number one, to talk about life experiences without saying when, like, I have been to Paris before. She has tried sushi many times. Number two, to talk about things that started in the past and continue now, like, I have lived here since 2016. They have owned this shop for generations. Number three, to talk about recent actions that just happened, like, he has just left the office. My mom has just arrived home. Number four, to talk about actions with results now. She has broken her leg, so she cannot walk now. Or she has broken her glasses, so she can't read. Number five, to ask about past experiences, like, have you ever visited Paris? Has she ever eaten sushi? Note, to do this, we use ever in questions to ask if something has happened at any time in a person's life or not. Number six, to talk about actions completed before the expected time, like, I have already finished my homework, or she has already eaten lunch. To do this, we use already to say something happened sooner than expected. Number seven, to ask about or talk about expected completion, like, have you finished your homework yet? Or, I haven't eaten lunch yet. To do this, we use yet in questions to ask if something we expect has happened, and in negative sentences to show it hasn't happened, but we expect it to happen. Present perfect continuous tense. We use this tense to talk about an action that started in the past and is still happening now, or an action that just stopped, but we see the result now. This tense shows us how long an action has been happening. How do we make present perfect continuous? We use this structure: subject plus have or has plus been plus ing form of a verb. For example, I've been reading this book for 2 hours, meaning I started reading 2 hours ago and I'm still reading now. She has been studying since morning, meaning she started studying this morning and continues now. Number three, they have been working all day, meaning they started work earlier and are still working. Number four, it has been raining since last night. The rain started last night and is still falling now. Number five, I'm tired because I've been running. I just stopped running and now I feel tired. How do we make present perfect continuous negative? We add not after have or has, like, I have not been working today, or she has not been studying this week. With contractions, we say, I haven't, she hasn't, they haven't. How do we ask questions in present perfect continuous? We put have or has before the subject, like, have you been waiting long? Or, has it been raining all day? When do we use present perfect continuous? Number one, to talk about actions that started in the past and continue now. Like, I've been teaching English for some years. She has been working at the bank since 2018. Number two, to talk about actions that just stopped, but we see the result now. Like, you look tired, have you been running? Or, her clothes are covered in paint because she has been decorating the living room. Number three, to talk about how long something has been happening. Like, we have been waiting for an hour. Or, they've been making so much noise since this morning. Right now, we need a comparison chart between these two tenses because you might still find them similar. Present perfect, this tense focuses on the result or outcome of the action. For example, I have written an email. It is done, check your inbox. It can describe both short-term and long-term actions. For example, I've taught English for years, or I have taught 3 classes today. We mostly ask, what have you done, or how many things have you done? Our focus is to ask about something finished. For example, how many emails have you sent? Present perfect continuous, this tense focuses on the duration or process of the action. For example, I've been writing emails. This means I'm still working or I just finished. Usually, short-term or ongoing actions are used. For example, he has been writing reports all day. We mostly ask, what have you been doing, or for how long? Our focus is on the duration, not completion. Examples: have you been sending emails all morning? Have you been working all day? Let's now take a look at common words in both tenses, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. To start with the first one, already. We use already when something happened before now, often sooner than expected. Examples: I've already finished my homework before you asked me. She has already seen the movie earlier than expected. Number 2, yet. We use yet in questions or negatives to talk about something that hasn't happened until now. Examples: have you eaten yet? It's a question. I haven't finished the project yet, the negative form. Number 3, just. We use just to show that something happened a very short time ago. Examples: he has just left the room. We have just met for the first time. Number 4, ever. We use ever to ask about any time up to now, usually in questions. Examples: have you ever been to Italy? Has she ever tried sushi? Number 5, never. We use never to say something has not happened at any time up to now. Examples: I have never ridden a horse. They have never visited London. Number 6, since. We use since to show that the starting point of an action continues until now. Examples: I've lived here since 2015. She has worked at this company since January. Next, for. We use for to show the duration of an action or period of time. Examples: we have studied English for 5 years. He has known her for a long time. Number 8, recently. We use recently to talk about something that happened not long ago. Examples: I have recently started learning Spanish. They have recently moved to a new city. Common words with present perfect continuous. Number 1, for. Shows duration, period of time. Examples: I have been reading for 2 hours. They have been reading for 30 minutes. Number 2, since. From a point in the past until now. Examples: she has been studying since morning. It has been raining since last night. Number 3, all day. From the morning until now, throughout the day. Examples: we have been working all day. He has been cleaning the house all day. Number 4, how long. Used in questions to ask about the duration of an action. Examples: how long have you been learning English? How long has it been snowing? Number 5, lately. It means recently, in the past few days or weeks. Examples: I have been feeling tired lately. She has been studying very hard lately. Remember, we do not use present perfect continuous with verbs like know, love, hate, or believe. These verbs are called stative verbs. For an example, I have been knowing her for 2 years is wrong. I have known her for 2 years. Did you know that the present perfect continuous and present perfect do more than just talk about time and actions? They can also show feelings and changes. Present perfect continuous and feelings. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening now. But sometimes it also shows how we feel about these actions. Usually it shows feelings like being annoyed or frustrated, being impatient, because this tense tells us that the action has been going on for a long time. It can show that we don't like how long something is happening. Examples: she has been talking on the phone for over an hour. This means the speaker is annoyed because the call is very long. I've been waiting for you all day. This shows the speaker is impatient and wants the person to come faster. Or they've been making noise since morning. This shows the speaker is frustrated with the noise. Present perfect and changes. We use present perfect to talk about changes or progress. We do not say exactly when the change happened, but the change is true now. This tense helps us say how a person or thing has changed, how a place or a situation has improved or got worse. Examples: he has grown a lot since last year. This means he is bigger now, and we do not say exactly when. The city has become much cleaner recently. This means the city is cleaner now. She has learned a lot of English. This means her English is better now. The question is, why is this important? Using these tenses helps you show your feelings when something is happening for a long time. Talk about how people or things have changed or improved. Speak English more naturally and clearly. Thank you for watching. Now it is your turn. Try to make your own sentences using present perfect and present perfect continuous. Like this video if it helped you. Share it with your friends. Write your examples or questions in the comments below. See you next time.